Crude oil daily forecast, April 15th, fxempire.com. The light sweet crude market, as you can see, sold off rather drastically on Friday, actually making for a very negative looking candle and making an attempt, not quite getting there, but an attempt to breaking down the $90 level, which we see as being very supportive. With that being the case, we feel that it's probably only a matter of time before this market breaks down. And it should be noted that on the longer term charts, there is a symmetrical triangle that looks very obvious at this point. And as a result, we think that it's only a matter of time before that happens. And a daily close below 90 is important for that exact reason. Um, with that happening, we would become aggressively short the oil market, at least for the next several dollars and perhaps longer. Buying, of course, is going to be very difficult. We would need to see some seriously supportive action in this neighborhood to even begin to contemplate it. But right now, we just don't see an argument for it. Looking at Brent, it's very easy to see that the market looks very weak, to say the least. This market has been beat up, and Friday was an absolutely vicious day. You can see that we went as low as like 101.25, and as a result, look like we're ready to continue much lower. It is a little bit of a hammer, so keeping that in mind, we will pay attention to the 106.50 level. If we manage to get above that, that might be compelling enough to start buying Brent. But right now, it really looks like this market is vulnerable to a downside move, not an upside move. This is especially true if we somehow manage to break to new lows. At that point in time, we would not only be short, but we would be aggressively short. In the meantime, we suspect that selling rallies will be the way to go.